Hey, welcome to the video. In this video, let's see how we can create a parameter in Tableau. So parameter is basically enables the user to make the chart more dynamic. It enables the user to select a value. He can change the value dynamically. So let's see one of the feature of parameter in this video. So in Tableau, we can create a parameter. So I will show, instead of explaining, I will show how we can create a parameter and how we can use that in our chart. So to create a parameter, here we have the option. In this, we can create a parameter. Here we have the option like create parameter. So first I will create a parameter. So some of the basic things we have to do. First, the naming of the parameter. So I will name it as the uh, measures. Okay, I will name it as measures. Then we need to select the data type of the parameter. So I will select as string because whatever input I am giving is in a string form. Then we need to validate that. So I am giving it in a list format. So what I will give is, here I have the uh, measures like profit, quantity and sales. So I will write the same sales, then quantity, then profit. So this is three parameters I have created, three parameter values like sales, quantity and profit. Then I will click OK. Now my parameter is created. The name of the parameter is measure. To use this parameter, I have to create, by using this parameter, I will create one calculated field. So to create calculated field, here I have the option like create calculated field. So I will name this calculated field as all measures. Okay, all measures. Then I will write one logic here. So here I can use the parameter case. Okay, case this, I will use my measure over here. Okay, this is the parameter that I just created. It have the three value like profit, sales and discount or quantity. Then case, this is like a if condition. Case when this is sales. Okay, when this is sales, then give the sales. Sales is our measure, this one, this sales. When the measure is quantity, or let's say profit. When the measure is profit, then give profit, this one. When measure is quantity, then give quantity. So it's like a just logical. It is here we created one calculated field using the measure that we created. So what is saying is, case is check for the measure. Measure means it have three value. It may be profit, sales or quantity. If it is sales, that calculated field will hold the value of sales. If it is profit, that calculated field hold the value of profit. If it is quantity, then it's hold the value of quantity. So it's dynamically change. Then I will press OK. Now our parameter is ready and our measure is also ready. This measure is controlled by this parameter. Okay, I will show you. What I will use is, I will use, let's say, region. Okay, this is my region. Let's say here. Okay, and I will take my calculated field which is controlled by parameter here. Okay, and I will swap this like this. So what I will do is, I will take my parameter. So show parameter. So here I can see the parameter and I will change it to the single value here so that I can get the drop down list. Now what I will do is, if I select this. Now it is showing the sales for each region. If I just select quantity, so it changed to quantity. If I just select profit, it's now showing the profit. So this is how we can create a dynamic chart by using this parameter and linking this parameter to this calculated field. When how we wrote that logic, right? If it is sales, then this calculated field will get the sales value. If we select this as quantity, then this will get the quantity value. So if I want to change this name and edit axis, and here I have the custom and I will change it to measure. Now it will also show the name of the field. Like if I select for profit, here we can see it is changed to profit, and if I select sales, now it's changing to sales. So this is how we can control the parameter. Not only this, we can do some more features add to this chart. Like I will create one more parameter, like for example, yeah, create a parameter first. I will name it as dimension. Okay, dimension. Dimension means category, we can say. Then it's also string value, then list, and I will select only three, like segment. Okay, one is segment, then is category, then one more is region. So this is my three parameter values, and dimension is ready. Now I'll create a calculated field by using that parameter. So I will select this as all, sorry, three dimension, let's say three dimension. Then I will use that case, that dimension, when it is category. Okay, when it is category, then fetch the value of, sorry, category. So category is our field. Okay, when it is segment, then fetch the value from segment column. When it is region, then fetch region. Okay, this one. So we need to put then over here, then, and here also then. So our logic is ready. Our logic is using this dimension which is we created. It have the three value. When it is category, then fetch the value from category column. When it is segment, fetch the value from segment column. When it is region, then fetch the value from region. Then we need to end that case. So remember what the name you given in the parameter, and this should be matched, then only it will fetch the right value. So our parameter and calculate field is ready. What I will do is, instead of this region, so this region only hold the one value, like region. If I want dynamic dimension, I will use this calculated field as 3 dimension, and I will show this parameter over here. Now what I can do is, let's see the, so I can dynamically change the value of this, like it is now showing furniture. So first I will change this also, so that we can, oh, let's see, edit alias. There is no option currently showing. Let's see, just if I select segment, here we can see bar change it to segment, corporate, consumer and home. If I select category, it will changing to furniture, office and technology. If I change it to region, it will show profit for sales for all the region. I can do quantity for all the region or all segment. I can dynamically change in this one chart. I can make many dynamic things because by using this parameter feature. So this is the use of parameter. We can create a dynamic chart. We can, no need to select all the column one by one, no need to create a mini chart for showing this. You think if you want to show this in a different chart, how many chart it would take for one sales, and if I want to show the sales for segment and category and region, it will take 3. And if I want to show the quantity of segment, category and region, and 6. 9 chart can show in this one chart. So this is the use of that parameter. So this is about this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank